Yake yima umanchi mwarigeri ya begita sene kiandeze chibine nego kwaligania sentunda ya gatatu chinga kitoganita gusanga emeyo morobiri obwensa kia bono mambia nana kulirira bukarenga omugeni tobereka gukirana ase studio na ndasege keke kirebo sionto beto gusanga nera tumanyina kia korokwa na ende inkayi akorokura kundo manchi mwarigeri yango kwaligani bene elinde tobeto gusanga asobwa mwana bokando gusanga na intwe asinse mwachiche mitanda nsema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, a website www.ndizitv.net. Wego sanga nintwe kerengeli kiago wetera asi namba yesime ya 0792192834 elinde otumanyenga yoko bwatia omorobeli korum. Ekerondo chinga mbararo babiri babo soa somorobeli wensa kia bono mambia kila unyakeza gatebanga morning watching live the show. Yuni yule moja gatebanga good morning everyone. Ekerondo chinga Deborah Nyaunga gatebanga morning Ndizi TV koro daraja mbili ndani mwisho nikiwa na my mom Helen Nyaunga sis Irene na Lucy Nyaunga, Vicky Nyaunga na Waigo Godfrey Nyaunga. Kirondo chenga Richard Mangi atebanga nwari meyo moroberio Amos Martin atanga good morning all Ndizi TV fans no agende takubwatia omoroberio kurwa asensemeri ya Saudi Arabia. Kirondo china roba kagutuma ujumbe agatebanga oyo mumanyi nigongo bori ganga omugambi ruto nigo twagocyorete ochekongento mwana inchi gose nwe ababunge moroche oyogochorete onye tori gochi kokonyo mwananchi kinegento bwenete bukwana gatagende takwiranira engane bitobato kokwanira sensemo ye finance bill kondo manchi muri elia tyangari nyomugenito ase studio abikago tokwane bitero astura bitogosanga amangana alengete chisemi kana nene turabito kumulikira umurubiri lyo CBC. Karibu sana.
Biamono sana umutangasaji Frida ase konyera libageri ya bene ngiche ase studio ya Ndizi TV tokwanira mangana yegisemi sense ya Kenya na gusi nonyenkaiga asereta Nyang'au Vincent anche numorokia ngosomia eskuru ya Kanotunga musocho asina vera ngosomia I think for the last 21 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Karibu sana mwalimu. Imbia unasogo kila nagaiga se studio elinde asogo sanga na ito ntabanki bamaite kadi na una kadi.
Wali basometa kadi na bawde banga kadi kipenzi. Use course.
Okay. Ndabona kukonya mukiamu kabna tuonya kwa advance na Marieta.
Abana babono maita bagotaka batumia Marieta geta makali. Ali bagwe identify naro.
Kabisa.
Yes.
Kadi neskuru getembo kegima ndenga abana babiri bagwetera asama ko kaino babiri bakwanekanga emyaka 70 noyomo.
Yes.
Kwa bira so korelia senseberi yakandi tumeti ase oboro ke emyaka eringa gwakorera.
Emyake yonse shina moja, that is my experience because nginyore Karengurwe College in the year 2002 I came straight to Kanotunga because nona someti teaching practice.
Okay.
Around Mutinyo nane 2003 bagacha wakandiga kagende school yalinga somya mutukomaka under the board of management. Kerana kora ti siega cha October 22nd 2003 ngasoya mirimo na nengorenge narakorere mirimo in the same school kuno mworokea okonya kwegeria abana buya doje ngonya gasoka bale and there are quite a number of success stories that we can share in this as a career ya no mwalimu in Kisii County.
Miyamana sana mwalimu. Basinga imirimo kwa beriko para se school yo name yake yima anakibatali ko bobwato kera. Eza bokara manyuma nchini yele kare kenga mirimo kiyo basomya se school ile.
Anje no mwalimu w'Igisongo, teach Igisongo na literature. ono inero nasomera the university nenkolengereria no in studio ya wanafunzi wanembara hanga batatu. I may not mention them by the name, but Job,
but we know them.
You know them.
Likes of Job,
Mangi, Conrad,
Amisi.
yeah, those are my students.
Those are your products.
Nkarankora aligereria once in a while. Na nga higesonge ke nasometie na gekogera bagwa nikigusiuya.
Ngokora
You know, these are languages and they are interconnected in one way or the other.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, asante sana sogokora emirime mia korende ari twererera rero mwalimu twatege tumurikire amangana ringite CBC.
Yes.
Metumurubiriga gisa ocha abaibuli abange bali skogari baraba bakuyo understand buya. Akerkende nakiara toireri bageri gari abene tukwanire goro yo morubiri oyo. Ana maroro bale access skuru yo boroso batamaitinga kerwa ari kurwa access skuru eri. Ngai babo chi next. Aha toireri bageri yabena somorobiri gwensakia tabetokweresera omwanchi omurigereria asobuagare atuchakirenga omurubiriga OCBC no bete kogocha okaba gokurusiororo omurubiriria O844 system akirikende kero koyerengani ngakiro chomurubiri igore
omurubiri O844 system I mean no CBC no murubiri muronge kogera abantu mbakorete research isaine bakorete obunengia bakarengereria nganda ke 844 yarabeire tuje 844 yanse around 1985 ekabeka bambake ikabono akara bakorire gochimba kanyoranga chigraduate cheito ji product 844 ibintu mbire binge batali gochibatwara kogera serikali ekansisho morobiri oyo no morobiri yekene no morobiri ogotorusiko rwase ogosomo konge 844 is about theory ya montago somiwa sekerasi okora matemo sekerasi lakini tebwati enough practical skills kagara serikali kalinga chinse chine una China Japan ji system chawo jisemi yakonyoro mwana ari class lakini most of the time bintombiro very practical akora by the time umuntu akora for example engineer tariko be engineer in theory because most of our products in this country akonyoranga nabo muntu okore the school you could be an engineer you could even be a nurse or a doctor but if you are taken oiru ase egasi agokoreka andake nabura nyorenga turaisanira unless you're exposed through internship nebintu binga bunebi kogera serikali karenga linganda katika twansomo robiri oyo or very very practical otabu at theory nyinge tokoli twanyanga 844 was enge system with a lot of content akoende keras wasomi ebintu binge kwaenda kwa reproduce as amatem ona CPC etagete to move away from content as well as competencies and practicals onye ne class kwagenda ge engineering from year 1 semester 1 igoko gende class yake wasomi with theory and wasoa wakole bintu byokoboko onye no mwanafunzi wa primary na bagosomi wase class naende wakole bintu very practical through the internet and other related aspects. So basically the main issue here was to take away wanafunzi korwa ase theory chire toso ase bintu very practical egere no muntu gakore skuru tebeteretinga ogendo chikorie gasi igentege twagoteba nga white collar jobs awe ikokore uchikobo munyagitari uri kwasigete ikokore ogendo obe osene lawyer obegete suti nkari asigete tigatona lenga na bokorwe college ose skuru osoko chimwino garia wekorere gasi yao ya maboko erinde ntoko nyagorute serikali amagana rioka nga gasinjio so serikali getagete esokia abantu kuba kode ku college ose university ose technical training institutes baranyari gwetenenera berigirie gasi gose barika bande gasi gose baba innovators generally umuntu araro siegento kiaye kenne erinde egenteke kesokia matoke amaya ayagokonya society to abantu baitu.
Okay. Ndio na sana soko ile sira soko agare. Korende mwalimu toga ne tetori girelinga. Mete konyara twana lirenga ase ne skuru yo woroso. Umwana ali gochaka tutebe kuru baby gari. Also class 1 ogenda baka class 8. Umanya gochigo join form 1. Abona ikanga kimurubiri go CBC re.
Umurubiri yo CBC over the stage ange inyega. Onganchire kwanere stage change nyega. Tobwate gento bakrokanga foundational level. Yani oboroso boli bw'omwana moke between emyaka 5 mpaka emyaka 9. Now foundational level is what we call early years of education. Emyaka eri emetangani, yegisemi or preschool. Now preschool igebwate PP1 na ndiye gatwara PP2 according to the new system. Na PP1 na PP2 is between 5 years and 6 years. Iga utotoro mwana osoma PP1, osoma PP2, akoro PP2 ogenda grade 1, ogenda grade 2, omanya gosoa grade 3. Yeah. So early years of education to between the age of 5 and the age of 9. Such that PP1 totebe umwana igare miaka 4. PP2 gare miaka 5. Grade 1 miaka 6 kwenda gabaka ike miaka 9 under this foundational stage of education. To korwa early years of education itotebe the PP1 mpaka grade 3 to an intermediate level. Yeah. Intermediate level of education is between the age of middle school, between the age of 10 and 12. Yeah. Igo mwana ikire grade 3 by the time adata miaka kianda. Kakuru grade 3 ye ogenda miaka 10, mwaka 10 no yama no 10 na kabere. Also intermediate level, that is grade 4, grade 5 and grade 6. So the first stage is up to grade 3, the second stage is up to grade 6. So at grade 6 ngokora bara matemnari abarimu ba primary bagokoria abana ko bare grade 6 yago chia soka abana bamekwenda grade 7. Now grade 7 and grade 9 still is middle school of education. Try looking is pre-vocational level of education. One also grade 7, also grade 8, also grade 9. Yibono iga domiciled in primary. I think a controversy needed junior secondary to anti primary or secondary. But now as it stands out, it's domiciled in primary. So in primary we have grade 7, we shall have grade 8. And we shall also have grade 9, that is junior secondary school. Mwana garure junior secondary school, amaya gocha bono senior school. Buna kano tunga ya bono will be a senior school. Asa gocha tutwara abana ba grade 10, tutwara abana ba grade 11, tutwara abana ba grade 12. Yeah, so that is now a senior school. And in senior school, we shall have a serious mental shift. As I'm a someone, in secondary schools, the same way we are going to teach. And in school, we classified. Classified to two categories at school. I think the government is a bit late, because I think by now people should have known which is which. Number 1 to 2 school, STEM. Yeah, STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-oriented subjects. School na kano tunga school, Sekisi school, Chava Summit, school ejina jiwachi laboratory. Now abara bagosomia ebintu bya science, ebintu bya technology, ebintu bya engineering, mathematics, these hardcore subjects. Number evident to are social sciences. Social sciences, community service, sociology, communication, psychology, and related affairs. Now, by that, school you some arts and sports science. Again, to CBC rengia, tonya gotanga omonto no omoriri otari kwenyara onye omonto kagotera music atera music engiya buna engora abana babono babo ratai bagotera buya babo Dennis Migisi monto iyo agende school iyo ya arts agende school iyo ya sports science akore gentekio na okara mukonya soge mu onye omonto karomu ya in drama akore drama yae egere Kenya nere ikirase togo soka no neji movie na jirija Nigeria jikora soka but I think even Kenya is also trying these days lakini CBC yakogende miaka 5 6 togo soka ki product ochimo I think na intungu tora torege ntukenga nga Bollywood ya India kora bakora beke TV ali abantu baligereri buya onye omwana karomu yase amaminyoko omwana oyo airu ase school enge academy ebwate bitibu yaiga biesiarerete ominyoka kegima gekonyarikana kagokore school yae gosatara akora minyoka ro sibe singi yaretere Kenya chibese I think that will be a good thing. So in senior school now I've said we shall have 3 levels to STEM, science oriented, mathematics, engineering, technology, to social sciences and to arts and sports science. Ekogero mwana ndojigo sire kiro monto na bwate talanta ya tebete kiro monto abu muyase sab osabo muyase total chemistry anya toli muyase sab you are good in communication, you can do something related to communication anya toli muyase maminyako gosase drama gosase matera gosase these indoor games nkero kiriyo buete ne bangare region na bogo somera religion yeye some bukubuya kwaletera abantu lingana spirituality kagara abantu mbaga netikire genda sense kromonto na negara kwa regas na visa ine we karansa se to wategara lingana monta korandia. So it's a serious shift from the 844 system where we realize so miaka na primary waso secondary okoro secondary kwenda university kwanda wakora ikosi miaka osane environmental science kwamanya kuriye gasi miaka 200 by the time okonyore gasi wikire miaka 50 so enaro nechigo chenchia elinde abantu begeriwe wekorera obumanyigete boragere montetenere even without the government doing much for the people.
Okay, bien sana mwalimu asongere sirega subagare akurengete tuturira na maiga keigo kwa bako kwaniranga sensemo ya senior secondary serikali ne benetero bilinga chiskuru nchiroro ibenete go identify chira chiko somia ebintu getebwenerete akero kulikiriria bono umuibuli tatebemba the time umwana yago kora grade 9 na bwenete kumanyanga umwana yenga yebe amate chinga kichiri twarakaranga eschool kwale kwanyaranga ose serikali ekwemukia abana bali bakore class 8 yabachorera chiskuru baba placed go chase chiskuru abone chichigo chikoba senior secondary temete somoro bili yo CBC bono ngo chikoba bale bako select abana chiskuru chiri bago join
selections njichigo korwa abuna chigenda do korwa iga again to yoke go changing abono we are not going to have abana in one pot abana aba igo bago chigochore school korengana una kibangana ki asejisembi chabo such that nayo mwebori nkorangeri bore school kwamanyiwe ngo mwana iga no muntu we science no muntu STEM no muntu social sciences no muntu arts such that ekarogo charo mwana oyo school gakoma charo school ya arts nego charo mwana oyo school kama charo ya social sciences onye karo mwa science kama charo school ya STEM. That's why another banga serikali I think minyogetio murobori wangake by now because ndocha abana ba junior secondary wa grade 8 I think next year ngo soka bale amayagocha senior secondary by now we should have known on school jeje kusinga ki school X Y and Z echigo chigosomia emero mugete no mwali muri primary gako endo chigosomia abana batenga bali be science school nechi bali muri aba arts and these other related concerns school general nechi so selections njijikoba of course they mwana we cholera of course mwana of course ngo cholera but umwana igakaba guided because there is coaching and mentorship yakorwa ase school umwana yamanyiwe nga aya igoro muyasegenteke school rachi kokonya ne aya oro muyasegenteke school rachi kokonya ne goseria abana abaye school age karabaye school age bamakoro baranga kiasi school age naye winye njire chibere ndachore ndachigosoma no mwewe nera gakorangiriwe school osene parents meeting na baro batebu ngabono egento karoneke school cha science niche school cha arts niche school cha social sciences niche agere watu aromanyi naliko nyara kogaina no mwana onyomba because I think I will abange tingagere tingamba wata habari yego. But I want to thank this station Unandizi and several other stations to whether say usiyeito because na awere nkororanga konya kwegeri mure igo ase bari bakora tegerera jiredi cheito osabakori eri TV uneyega korengaringa obo manyingo nyagosoka bure na next kanisa cheito by the way some churches ngo to church program education konyora kanisa bwate a particular day ebegeta side we educate abakristo igoro yegisemi no CPC igegenteke igotogwene tubwatara 20p abarimu bakwanire genteke politicians bakwanire genteke no nabarandi bagekwanire elinde omuntu amanye na toralamika kende ngaka because CBC is here to stay 844 is not there. Oh no, we have to embrace it fully. Egere andake echigoto konyera abana. Mwana ta wa kompira bu yika nationals obabusa. Muntu minyo kabaka East Africa. Oira na ende saiga obabusa. Igote goto tuare you know some unique kind of approach era chigoto konyera the next generation.
Okay.
Yes.
Mwalimu kwa konyera kalenga abono grade 9 kaitanire ase skuru yoboroso ultimately grade 9 kaitanire form 1 ase yes timiti aboro kia baiga baba somi bono form 1 na baro baba chakwire ni go ase chi skuru chiga choboroso chichire junior secondary school
tinka greeting ambaira ne junior secondary school because karo area we ntoratwara a clear policy ego chago guide such kind of transition but what I feel and what I know is that bali a secondary onega because serikali tata bakende bagendera kwa secondary which is senior school now okay and then our grade 6 7 and 8 abali junior secondary school mbamentu unabona naro cha serikali ngoteberenga this year ngo employer abali 116,000 especially in primary schools so meaning abali ba junior secondary mbaje bamenda because yako ande school bunero goroga usenkiombe takwanyara abali ba junior secondary abari usembabiro usebatatu bagosoma subject 14 so serikali ya komenta abalimu abankorenga na ubara bagosomia junior secondary ojoro usio mwalimu ogosomida tebe form 2 3 and 4 omuire junior secondary ajosoma grade 6 7 na bera vegas aseki asengencho omuntu oyo osomwalimu oyo training ya kolete you know taraba prepared ya ojikwando abana aba lakini wale bagosoma junior secondary straight workshop injiro bitabumbiro at least bawato bumanyi bokwando abana abuya my only fear is touching on abalimu in my school we could be having abalimu 40 were under the board of management and majorly because from once ni wengi you go to kids school you find the same thing you go to Agora Sare Agora Girls a school general achire kwanyanga abalimu bari under the board of management. My only fear is that abalimu aba next year school na wajira abasakata banga we may not be able to sustain these teachers because of the numbers considering form 1 na wera abate chebe anda kana buranyoro mwalimu omwana gotebanga abalimu ababere gose batatu tigabatimuke baje usuno mwakonde batingo sabanga egente kebe smooth eko garabari mwana baromba wate amagani yabo bagwate chifamily cyabo elinde bagendere wetenenera lakini serikali drate abanga mwalimu nacharu osine secondary achache gosoma grade 9 yeah there is no clear cut trakwanere as early as today.
Okay. Kirikendo mwalimu na bokora to semi ntuguna abaigori. Emirimo yigabone bokorwa asense ya senior secondary. Timeti ego chiko reduce gosenga ke chiko bagari.
Emirimo gosomiwa in junior secondary, junior senior secondary. Korengari go chiko bucha go chiko buchere because now serikali ya butoranire this subject like English and literature. Ego te gotwara register ndi oseni sana. You will be teaching, I don't know, communication. Also me digital literacy intogete bibutorane kogenda. So emiremo ego te gosomiwa in senior secondary igego chikaba emengake. No, bona to the biology, to chemistry, to physics. Now that will be general science, but within this general science there will be several, strata. Kochiko baganori stari gete. Egaro mwalimu yo physics atware gento gete gose bintu biberega agosomi related na physics. Chemistry the same, biology the same. So emeremo kochiko mentere. Oliga no junior secondary, even primary school right now. I think ne mengerake kubwa konye. I think even the content now ne ngarake kuwa una yakabeire and akegere abana babe exposed burunge linde batuko twajisembisa ine babe global citizens baranyara komenya andonsia so wiko wense.
Mwalimu tuyatorigere buna sense moyaga yo mworo kia bwigisongo akwatibiringa na bera achkomenta sense meri. Don't you thinking a sense meri yo muchikogania abaro kia bange na inde?
Yes, I know. Of course, one thing I want to say from the onset, getting chukuru chetu njibatu wale mbaisene. Chukuru chetu no ligel no ni chia Kitutu Central, we in Kitutu Central. Walimu mbaisene, iwa walimu barumba chikoganiri wa bange no ene skuru ya ito. Walimu mbaisene. So abalimu bachikoganiri wa bachicha bange. Na wali toro, awora nyore ko comment wa chilesoning kaigo. Egere osomi these are the subjects chirabe chikomenta as a curriculum. Yeah. Okay. The only unfortunate thing, even as at now, ntoranyore curriculum, so I can say that secondary schools are not well prepared. Of course, some heads of department and principals and heads of subjects, sorry, have gone for trainings. Lakini karago tome training yama tukabiri ko sata to tinga gretinga training ine eragere osomya bali bande be department yao igoroje binte binge bigo chikoba bigo change. So again on the government, I think serikali yeto teraba proactive enough egere abalimu abagochikolisiwa abana ba junior secondary to senior school babe well equipped osomya abana baisanire buna ekerengo kire.
Okay.
Yes.
Bengana sana mwanchi muri area bigeta seni Kyandizi TV nigo togenda gusanga ime yo murubiri w'insa kyabo namambya asogenda gusanga no moro kyakorwa asiskuru yabamra ya Cardinal Chunga Vincent Nyang'au yogenda gutumanya amange nabayobota semya igoro yo murubiri bwa CBC go mwanchi muri area sanga na ntwa somurubiriga ebetobweto kwemenya amange gwetera asomurubiriga bwetisemi omuya na kyo bakolera bwa buri ngetambukira kibona yo muyiburi bweneta kuimukia nabo yokora sesemo ye serikali ngetambukira kiba bweneta kuimukia gosanga na intonyi ko batebori rendelyansi wetera ase namba yesimu ya 0792192834 elindo beko gosanga na intekerenga yalikiago tobeto kukoiranilia oigoso asensemeri ye mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, nabigo asensemeri ya website gwetera www.ndizitv.net tobeto sanga asogwa mukulu mwanchimuri tabitara sensemo ya baruki abana b'ekisukuru bakwimurunganinga serikali terabage ko bakibesa atobeto korangana na sensemo ya magazeti bamurika bitkurerero nka ya bitiriri ya baruki base ba sensemeri ya remedial erindinga abayibuli baba wakana chi school chibe chikonyora chibe at least bagokorera obokoreri bwabo ntetusange no mwarimu nere abega goto ibirenga libya chi school chabere chigwo parity batabuga ati chibesa metenge serikali yaberege konyora sana soko bwato ka chibesa metinga kiasi school buna ino ya cardinal tunganga kimwabere mo go parity by the
first and foremost antebega serikali ya temire kato kurigeria kurmaega buna Kibaki asoeta serikali akaenda free primary education then later on tukatwara free secondary education babere bagotema serikali mwete ne wate binte binge ndo what healthcare ndo what education ndo what infrastructure ebintu nebinge bigo chibiyaba udatigarende kuanaiga as a sector education and as much as the government ngonya gotemere ebintu mbire ndatebe there's something ekorunga delay unnecessary delays waziri wegisemi otenena oteba chibese nchiche jisoya school cheito wansera totebe chimadate gocha wiki ntangania era wiki ya kabere ya gatatu ya kane ya gatano besa chitara soa iko enaraneringa serikali ngojere ya promise ngane tomechibesa tego toma buwango ne school ne bwata mahitaji school na boarding school you know abana mpaka ni tebinge nkoragera bare nkorara bare ngosomi bare bintu bya tisho ne binge iko ekara serikali ego chereria gutuma chibesa ngo affect yerisemi cy'umwana ngano nyene chi whiteboard maka ngo chire cyabura yino choka cyabura singe njebese ya serikali taraje especially in primary schools and day secondary schools igo tebe nganda ke serikali ngo temere lakini indire bago teba ngamba che batume mbago tuma ngaro china no mwaka oli oratenga especially in junior in secondary day they're supposed to send 22,000 shillings. But if you talk to most of the principals, you'll find anda kembali go chibatu macheka chibesi chibanda tachigo tumpa child. Igo okwano kuro konge go etanya go kora. Togo chantuna tatebe abarai bago chosana seti batebanga toje totome toje tokore chibese ngo tomatore bago toma bago toma chisaine igo bunoma de abane be school ji principal ji heads of institutions batanyare korara mikamo na singenje you know they are public servants na orara mikamo no wori nga bono ngaki korara mikaiga negasia is at stake. The fact of the matter is that the government ngonya gotemere korende terigo ikerania naende anyatego chikabake go ikerania anda ke no moroberi yo CBC no chigo twara challenge torigerie junior secondary schools for example you know just trying injire chigo somi wo jire science oriented abana balimba gwanda ko irwa no ne laboratory you know we're introduced to basic things wamanyanga ekeningi enere pika or say flask for purposes of practicals but if you talk to heads of institutions wa primary na bago thenga mbanya ko ewa besajisa ine chiraga chekarakana or say laboratory eliraga abana ba primary junior secondary rather pamanye bintu badaraja senior school. So we have a serious challenge with the capitation and transitioning these monies from the Ministry of Finance chisoegere chisoe school cheito no chigo cha chigo cha chinge no chigo cha chigo cha chinyorire so much so that no net supply each school chiatwara unnecessary entrances chigo supply binta se chiskuro konyara abantu begedera ini ntambe aso obisio mukubwa bakonya kugwatia madeni no mukubwa nere na mubekera inio na mukwana neta bwati besa kuba gwikaganya serikali setome chibesa nane kego toma ya toma chinge so much so that at the end of every year kwanyara nge skuru ego sieka kebwata madeni nande ya sieka kebwata madeni nande ya sieka kebwata madeni ngakia akabuya abaraye baito bakora kile bagoteba ngamba cha bakore ene chibesa bagoteba twatomire batoma you know kora no in primary schools and school ya seito senkora ikaransa occasionally with na bayibuli na bana konyoranga abibuli amatenga serikali netomete chibesa kochiko bole mo head teacher gotebinga maene bese njiraso akogojiko bol kya ngora ligole TV kwanya nga bese njiraso kagojo karansa we bol ngami tumutale kwanja monge bese nkego no ne watchman nkego no ne cha chokogora abana no ne bintu byokolikera kwanya it becomes a serious challenge. You want to about the challenge? Of course, we are a developing country. We appreciate that. But let us learn to say the truth. Onye chibe sigo tomwe chatomwe ngaki engia. Onye chire chinge yatebekana ne chinge. Onye chire chinyinge yatebekana ne chinyinge. So that is what I would want to comment.
Turegelia sense mendo maite omuibuli ole iskogali maybe romeka understanding serikali teratuma besa ero maite yakora kurwa city bioro chitoma tairinge serikali machogo tenenera ile tairinga chibesa ngote chire weekend era maite ngachibesa chabere chigosoera kirikina bokora teresera the pain that you go through usually ekera moko korobo koreri igali ya school yekera baka mwate abona tikamutuma abana ka weto mwebere ratanga abali mu bali batubaseri.
Yeah, that is it. Because even the other time in my school, umukuwa nali gitenga abibuli batome chibese, batatometi totoma abanaka. And nyoro mwibere kwa Grace nyothanga mwangere mugo twari naro yoko nyagodosere lia abana. Abana ngobole mwibere ngami tutari ngere naro. Egento kerega ngaki eskuru ye abana nabange bare amahitaji namangare igo nayo kaboko kwa wika gosoe mwana noyo kero mwana atomiruka njege ndo ndatebya abayibuli babono tigatwale mererania nabali mu baitu because omwalimu oyo negasiale igasi ayarendete ekarako gutomera umwana ka tari gutomera ti umwana ka sobobe challenges injiro ebintu mbere bikoganirwa se school kogenda wakeruye sawa yechibasi gotomeka for example in practicals in a school like Anotungo Kisi school anya bururu nsaiga per week because abana nkora bari practical subjects ejire chibese chinyinga mono igo serikali abateye gutoma chibese no mwibonera ta gutoma chibese na bera begasi nene sana kera abana abarumba ariko manyomete chinza je practical chigo ikabaga so laboratory umwalimu nene aganye tebinto bigo tumeka se laboratory egara abana abakore a practical totebe music una want to the music on Thursday and Friday a county I think in Kisii County abana kwa berko go train for the last 3-4 weeks njira de yora abatebire yaro gosema mbinga muri kogenda eko garanga serikali teratuma bese bano kwa mwalimu omonene na wate a lot of unnecessary pressure singe university wisana so a request ya nana ari goteba njo no mwalimu and I've seen this for quite a long time abibuli tikatunalenga gogwatumira umwana school na no bwate a portion and your portion is the greatest portion yogo support umwana oyo kumwaka ni school fees yaike irase okonyoranga no muntu bwade chibese okoranga nari gai agoteba nge serikali yatuma chibese which I think geta kabero enga gitu asometa magega konya serikali tarange akuru chibese igo let us train ourselves to toma kabisa of course the economy is head waka no mwana yabese chinsa chisaine chinga chisaine yakaro mwana wakonya gutomu nchera kogenda anda kana barari chaniwe ya mwana wakuline pigi nyoro achari asingijo takantebes eno mwana umwise kana ura nyoro obogaliwe asingijo atometu gogenda kuriya besa kamera mumuronde nchera gaiga akamobogeria which is not necessary. So intuna abayibuli babono I think we have a serious responsibility ntokunya kolera serikali lyoka yeah do your bit mwana gachire school karakali kabisa akanebese na enderera isi squeeze maete chi principal chi school the class teachers like in our school every class teacher is a principal of the class akera this principal of the class madebe ngaya 11 mwana oneno ali class kiao gari namba isanemo namba 10 no nakane chiba sikoro kuchirwe marongevere nintira chiri ukianda chirwe chikianda kwari ko nganjero mwalimu nchiakane gatatu tento chiri wisato tare 7 chiri chinde 3 tare 15 chinde 3 tare 22 mwalimu ona bako ndaga mene principal mateving in my class nimbwata arrangement na abana bane igo sometimes it's about communication we communicate egere wate yo mwalimu okwenyara kuonga igoikerete egere omwana otakonya gotari gunchira unnecessary konyora abana beruka beji day school bakoigera St Tuesday basere Wednesday bagenda until the next Friday konyora omwalimu na bare school week ngima tanya gosomia ya agocha mambi na ndonyora abana bale batatekera gose bane which becomes very technical. So tigatwegere inga ndogwate responsibility na waibori yogo support school programs including remedial, which is controversial. It is controversial because quietly the government doesn't want it because mbatageti umuibori aba taxed. But I'm looking at a Kenyan teacher who okogende school saa 12. Like where I teach, classes start at 6 a.m. Omu wako yosomo ngino yosomo swati yosomo saa yako lina tatawe pigipigi wakana emimaambi. Ochira remedio na maroga banaro rwe school saa 2. No na were buya toba bit open tomanye nga ibintu mbire bike bikagakora asenge ncho mwana oyo is your greatest investment. By the way, about education is the greatest equalizer. Where I am today is because of education. Where you are today is because of education. You go, I know more about your born. Can take an eganga and then you want to go and kora, to gutane, umanoyone, imo supporti by all means. Again, the school ngakanefis. Only remedio kego sawa. Ntoko nya kobekeli ogimono. Njiro sabu nyinga by the way. Twa sinkego. Ana baba. Or no expect mo nta ndega saguna bitanyo chai. Echa ya mambe ma saguna na moja hapa mdei once. Bono go tokuru emirende mwalimu ko ke school ero nyora macha mabiruga bekire thamos ka kwane for 1 hour onyo macha ne ro ranga baminto. These people appreciate me. So it's our responsibility. The government never got the role you play. Na into una baiboli and don't got the role to want to play. So we need some collaboration in Giega to akeyeli yogi. Na neka to rangali which school. Kwa rangali uno moiboli for consultation. Tiakonya kuena na mono. This is investment. Gendo ikaransa tegerera na bali mubalia batebinga ya tekonya rekana yenenya rekane, you know, give and take ebe win-win bateba na inu mwateba muumira nande gati egero mwana yo regati gaiga ekara bya baja kugenda mache ngumbu abe gusino mu engineer wa Japan weji ndege ekara gutumira $1 mwalimu takayo. Yeah, teachers sacrifice a lot. I know the amount of sacrifice they make as a teacher. I know sacrifice to make like a volume, you know. You cannot afford a teacher. Onge waka no mwalimu by the way. Mwalimu kwa school kulendera mwana waka saa 6 chairman. Ando boka saa 9. Onye overtime ndi ya rengo. I could be a multi-millionaire by now. Considering the man hours to kubeka sega ito. That notwithstanding, I think collaboration neganeri elinde abana baito basome buya.
Okay. Ekero tukurigereria mwalimu Sense Maria Junior Secondary School twaranga matukabwango iba babera sechipara bakuru bekana tukaranga semeli yokoli kyumbikirige koli kaborke gati sige gatero ngabachiranire bayira na sti school naro chinga igati yabor kyombaroro babire bakobutwa emirimo. Aha kirkende kurwa Sense mo yago no kurigereria no satisfied nenchira eserikali kwa ndo Junior Secondary School in general. I'm dissatisfied immensely. You know, there was a line, a promissory note after miakevere by guys. Yeah. Omonto over miakevere tako guys you're permanent and pensionable. My the permanent and pensionable na kwa bashwanga bano kwa soire serikali. Olige chibesa abana bali bakoewa ne chibesa chingamano. Mwalimu junior secondary gakoewa tebe 1016. Now 16,000 shillings with this economy
And by the time you become a junior secondary teacher, I'm very sure probably you married, kwa nyomire, ose kwa nyomiru, no gwata mahitaji. Na serikali yeito nengia sana sigende nga taxation. 16,000 ejitara swa mubuko, be sure 3,300 injio. Igo njiri 16 ejire 12. So abaroke baria babugate every right yo kuandamana. Na gukurera serikali na kuyiboringa abaminto ririmu atutomete magatatebya nga gotorika muringi mutaratorikera. Yeah, because chibasire chire chinke amahitaji yari amange kwanyoranga bono balimu bariko ba very comfortable ngora n'abanyagitari unabandamano mitinyebere. Yeah, so serikali yetu nebwenete kwegera gukwana bumaene na ndi yategerera. Yeah, mbako igino because the tax yari abantu ngwaganatore. These days you taxed everywhere. No gora mache chiba chibesenye anya mache kare 40 shillings be sure 13 neje serikali chibesenye tumekebuya. You know, let the government utilize resources chiaba na inchi borunge. You know, chibesenye konya kobogali go cyanya gasoka kwa unganchi yakoletega cyakore ibintu binde bitayo unabona ko lire budget kwanyore budget iri trillion kadhaa. Lakini chikole yose tatebe ne budget ya bintu contingencies ebintu gente bitari byamana kwanyore jire chibesi nyinge aze chigane iri asaba nyagitari asaba ali mutichiyo igo tinganjiti ya enjere serikali ya ndora balimu wa junior secondary take arrest na barabwe kwana barabwe ni good time bintu yabate dego chakora akora maruwe yabate ko baera permanent and pensionable tera yarwa negento kende ko gecha abana balia osaba ali bali bagosomea junior ne nare yangere gocha with the new government where you find kwa twe liro bali junior secondary wasomera myaka ebere musaundo graduate in 2023 oyo liro bali permanent pensionable asama tanga Well, connection is jana baita bataka ngai baje kuruji connection ngai ngoja kurusia
Grace has located him.
Grace is relative because we serve the same living God. Na Grace yo gorokate jete kondo kate aya gorokate samatanga nje no junior secondary na akiremia kebere na anya kuino breakfast at school. Those young men and women have challenges in those junior secondary schools. So serikali nero ya flex buyaga mwete no na bagamira mba bwata abana they may not be teachers but na kwara abeke koroto kirikyo muntu kero muntu akorera ngero ge komoreria tari korera sengencho aigwetarire yeah no there are valid concerns serikali yeito ne wenda ya take time ya karansa ya jaribu na bora beto ikerania na wanda gani increment ata ya 40,000 if you give me 10 I'm good to go. Yeah, because na understanding bintumbi karantibu ya lakini tigo monto sera ruganto gitega sinini tako buta tatavera in secondary school montaga bute job group miaka 13 you know yet you have been serving you know the grades are there to speak for you but nobody's recognizing it. Okay. That's the long and short of it. Thank you.
kumulika amangana y'indeko kisemi nigotoka ntogosanga no morike ko basiskuru yabanga ya Cardinal Tunga umwarimu Vincent Nyangao oyo genda basemya abayibo iskogari kubatikana namangana alengete tisemi kondo mwanchi muliyele ndogwate omoroberi o tap abanyeko ganiti gutuma kibesa korwase kinse kirikesiko tumete mwarimu abantu mbarara bakanyara abakenya bamenyete kinse kirikesiko lakini batete kuwakane school fees wachase omwaro kigogo orasense ya Kenya wanto kubatenga nabo kubaterisiko gari ndogwate omoroberi kurwa tap abaso asense meri ya Google Play Store o download app ya tap otome kibesa cyako obwetera April promo code ya Ndizi TV ekero gutuma chidora $50 niguo kwenyorera chidora $20 gomo nchumuliria teto sasensemeri ya kabere ya studio tuimanye igore ya tata.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Biwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic nenyagitari ya Chirenguma asokorwa obogwenya gotumika amaliogo yemete. Mbabwate abanyagitari na Dr. Gikonyo abakolingolia na kogwenya amaroire a abuna arthritis, oboroiro bweskari, high blood pressure, UTI, ulcers, asthma, hemorrhoids, fibroids, prostate enlargement na gukwa endurume. Boigonkwena na bale amaliogo asaba sacha bali achinguru cyabo kiranirense abasubati babwate omuchando bokorora erangi na boigo oboroire bwelisangwa na yande amange. Mbabwate chimashini chekerero echichikolingolia amaroire Eliokonyora obokoleri bwabo batarerekera litko asorosagirwa borwa Nairobi, Kisumu, gose Mombasa. Umerana n'abanyagitari kera litko lya Jumapili ya Sensemeli ya Ikonge asomo bagani o Millennium angenegeta seni kya mabuta ya Pebo. Kera litko lya Jumatatu ya Sensemeli ya Nyamira asomo bagani o Nyamira angene bengi ya Equity. Kera litkoria Jumanne imeyomo chobo songo omubagani o Capitol Lirongo litangani room 117. Naboko kwana na barabo gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0722 300 630 gose 0788 313 910. Piwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic. Your health is our priority.
Je, unawapendwa walio nje ya nchi na wangependa kukuzawadi kwa kukutumia hela? Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia TapTapSend, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia TapTapSend wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download TapTapSend kutoka Google Play au App Store. TapTapSend, send more, spend less. Amariogo yemete ni gabeireri chibwase amaroire au nonyana yasinyire ase chinyagitari. Super Medical Center egotoka somo chiobosongo ni gotokwego keria kuruobo wenya wetrasa marioga yokurwase chinse chesko. Goruaria tora maroire buna ulcers, cancer, asthma na yanda manke ayokoringori wa nech machine chaito.
Ngoro Cross Mora daktari korwe company ya Super Medical Center egotoka somo chiobosongo igangoro alitora marwaire amange ande karawa chine ndobwate chimashini chigo kumureka chiarora nkikero bobe chigo kumureka omubero omugima gwansero omotu mpaka inse na ichigo tote nkikero bobe amarwaire tiobwate twamanya kwa mariogo mwana abane mashini engo murekera yarora mechando kiabwate twaba mariogo itongo ikale mbali neba no mochiokeroka neba ngirigori cia marioga ito na bakugwikera neba Mombasa onya koroe kara wakire simi na bukurwari
ikasomo chiobosongo ase stage yechigari otwakire simi ase chinamba chiko bwatia 0737746368 gose 0712526764
nabantu abange baeteire gana inde babwenire igo totwara bwoba bonde bwese kara bwachire ese kwaranyura mariogo munali anyagitari kwangire koigubiya morwaire munali ale chronic nkonyarwari tole
Esukuru y'okwegeria Burundi bwa Kigali ya Rocky Driving School nige gukomanya buna mpabwatu bukorera ubya asebirengo ao byo Burundi bwa Kigali nabo kwegera ekerengo gya A2 B1 B automatic B professional C light track D1 ichuchire PSV Uburundi bw'iki matatu cha 14 sita. D2 PSV Uburundi bw'iki bus. CE heavy trucks. F PWD cy'abantu bali n'oburema. Bwigomba bwate short courses cha BCD na B executive. Ubuye bw'okwigira na Rocky Driving School mbulye buna ebirasi byabo nigo biri flexible chinga kichere cyonsi urataka rituko nigo bagosomya umwaka mugima aborukia babo nigo banjire n'ikiumbe kiriye gikurira y'ubusera bw'Uburundi bw'ikigali gia NTSA buyo nkwigirure aseze mu yemesa basic mechanics basic first aid na yanda mange batalire imeyo rugongurugusi asebali imeyo muchukisi asenyumba ya Market Plaza irange na Uhuru Plaza chinsage chinde nigo chire asemeche ya Nyakoe ensemo ya Kyogi Junction na boigo asumucho Kilgoris mbabwati special offer bono asebali bakolire ekerasigia form 4 mwake simi umu manager Rocky Driving School. Kwekera bono ayabunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins chirangi chonsi chiriya chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods hood screws chingulu chonsi door locks chi pipe wrench spanners screwdrivers banyore old Sansora building angena Kisi main bus stage gusua Kisimi ase namba enotisano nebire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo Osmo Traders Limited customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Okay, mwanche mugiriambia mono sana magayo gosiumya ase chiduka na inde toko kwarigania elinde togende gusanga ime murubiri wensaki abono mambe astogende gusanga no mugeni tase studio oyoro moroke ko ase school yaba muri ya kadino butunga oyogende tagutumanya amange igoro yensemeri amangana aringete chiseme konde mwanche muriria mbe mono sana sogende togotubwate sensemo chiche mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital ekirondo chenga Teresa Kemuntago tebanga obwakire kurwa sensemeri ya Muranga na utaramo mbiyemona sana presenter Masera gatebanga hello good morning Ndizi TV watching live from 035 no ndemi yomorobili mbaka omwelium Mike Moguso agatebanga thanks my mwalimu but I don't support remedial 8 hours of study are enough. Okay.
Right.
Robert Nyanga wagatebanga watching live big up bro. September Sunday no ari meyomoro video. Ben Andrew agatebanga watching live from Nairobi. Jackie agatebanga that's my mentor Mr. Vincent. Ekandoche embori ya masense magatebanga tuned in from Ogembo New Stage. Osoro Paul agatebanga wino mwalimu ne wige songo Vincent Nyangawo.
Thank you.
Akerondo chenga Amos Martin agatebanga good morning all Ndizi TV fans. Ndo chenga abarokyo na bange bori bwata sense meri skogari. Alena sense meri yege songo.
Yeah.
Ando chenga bako gokera sana emirimo yabo.
All right.
Aha, kwanya tutara batoko so sense meri yo mutimo komo keigo keronga ingene takwigora se comment chinde ntoba tukumulikira igoro yensemeri abaruki abana bagosoa sensemo ye university timetinga omurubiri n'oromoya obagokoretwa oyo gosira abaruki gwo gosechisemi kiria sensemeri ye university kurayo kwaniranga mwalimu
bali babeta bagosoma chingaki chia magega ego bari gutumia model ya High Education Loans Board inga kero mwana kwenda university osaka kwenda college ego kwali go apply kartu asoma ego kwenda kwa take form chi loan kwa jasa and we apply for a bursary wa signliwa chibasa chiacha dojenga abange baito. The model was very simple. Yalinge ngororo, yalinge straightforward. Go download the form area, wachazire, abagambe bajaza, nabayoli bawo, watache ebintu, watoma chibasa nchiaga achire. Onyatarikira muntu kanyolira I think 80-90% abantu basoma before 2005 I think basomerete High Education Loans Board. Bono tuwate a new model that was launched. I think that was May 2023. A model yana abantu bari basometa ke ngoranga nera bit confusing. Na irigeria ketina irigeri mono lakini ngoranga is a bit confusing in several ways. Ye korokonga the new higher education funding model. NHEF, right? Bono yenkoligeriere bintange bitatu sebinega yari number 1 ngakyo mwanafunzi akanya scholarship. Number 2 ngakyo mwanafunzi akanya loan. Number 3 ngakyo mwanafunzi akanya grants. Toma yakanyoranga bono aiga serikali go classify abanafunzi. Go classify abanafunzi into 4 different categories. Namba eyemo abanafunzi bari vulnerable. Yani umuntu ori vulnerable no muntu tare kwenyara no enasi nini. Inere category ntangani. Category ya kabere bari extremely needy. Yeah, abantu batari kwenyara to some great extent. Category ya gatatu n'abantu bari needy. Asaba abanafunzi bari needy, ya kane less needy. Toma yagotebunga serikali nebwate a tool nebwate enchera yoko classify abanafunzi aba. Tote abantu bwate needy, tobwate extremely needy, tobwate vulnerable na tobwate less needy. One gogo to apply serikali nebwate criteria ego categorize. Yeah, criteria ke kabwate variable 8 ibintu mbere bitana bitatu serikali ikoligereria. Nambe yemo yaligereria a background yawe buli bawo. Yeah, kera a form area sinaro go jasanga nimbota bayibuli moyo bale gaski bakora chibesa bakonyore chinganiga go jasora ororo. Koligereriere gender nomwana no mumurago so mwana no mwiseke. Right? Koligereriere ekosi yogo chikokora. Chikosi choma de chibwato bolito ao. Because when engineering you are more expensive go education. Because when education era more expensive go community development. So koligereriere mwana ngosi kiago chikokora egere manji beserengera chikomwa. Koligereriere marginalization. Madento wata chi community gete chitanya gutwana graduates bakabona. Mwana tokorwa salia oedra kugenda university a model yengo moere priority egere anda ko gujibasi nyingake kobwa olio talikorwa sari marginalized gento kende disability yeah anda ke omwana yakanda college osene vocational training college ose ngochokora diploma ose degree koligere barango mwana oyo ne kerema gosemba konkia wada physically onye kare physically challenged I think serikali ngomuligere more kobwa ababande bale normal egento kende ngoligere family size balenga mulese ino onye mule 10 na bora sagotware bati yakanyare chibesi nyinga because ya bubuli tomboro ya mwibuli go support abana 10 tabwekani go support abana babiri pono koligete ali muri 10 na ende evidence yero The government looks at that. And then family composition. George family jetu ngakichire unachire kogenda. So mbabwate njira yo kurigereria ngakibako na chibesage. Won ekara barigererie bintu byonsi pi yagera ba make a decision ngaki omwana oyo chibesa gochikoegwa echinganiga. But the bottom line muna na were nkorigereria neringa the government is saying ngwakanirire abana 93%. Yeah, especially very needy and less needy, the government is going to pay 93%. The problem with this model is that if we want to very increased, the increment was quite significant. Because it's in medicine or engineering, if you are 8. Wano chote mwibulio mutaka ngayo waka na 7%. 7% of let's say 1 million is 80 something thousand. Kwa nyoranga bono na bekoro kana mune model ire nyororo lakini aso mwibulio ro mutaka irrespective of the classification gente kinegitiro sana. So the long and short of it is that a model yenengia lakini ase abantu abange tiri ngororo naende twabere tukwa na abana be college abari university no nabagoja teaching practice garanje no mwalimu garoko babori akonyoranga andake bangere bagochandika na first years. I'm talking about first years or bansete bese njira so yakwanyoranga umwana ore very needy are very classified under different category bese nchicheti bono mwibuli osumaro chibese tabugati bese. So this model I think nega ni tierigereri gumono egere ejikaba improved and emboling serikali yari wancha abana siazo madwa gutebinte bingakara baguri chikora bagoso njena eko ando ndabanga bana chiseme ngo chikaba chire bosa free secondary education, free university education. In serious economies as a country chire mutu na Singapore and other places. By the way, education is supposed to be universal. Education is supposed to be free. Egaro mwana oyo hakuru was in a secondary. I think me I'm going to be an engineer with or without parental support. Mwana some kago some which mutuma to kolegasi a taxing wakanole. The government is going to benefit immensely. So this is a complicated model. It's an improvement of what we used to have. Like never so many unnecessary obstacles. Omwana goetera sengenjo ya classification. And you know this is Kenya. Kenya is a very corrupt country. November bagorwe binte yo mete mwanya bantu bale andike mwanya bantu gedo ya Kenya munanje nkorarara kuna kwanga no korofi mingi. Kwanyora oyo bwata chibese na nero commentary chibese. Mwana bo muntu wente gwe support anyora bese oyo support so many challenges, so many issues, so many gaps. I think these things should be revisited. Yeah.
Mwalimu kiroko ligereria asaboro kigwa babete bagoswa Asensemerie University ekere new funding ya chagete korengani n'emyaka eri amaega kwaruringa aboro kiwango chara bali chikostiri banchite kokora.
Bana bono mbakali gochora kusiri badaete gochigokora na bere ngukwa na even my students bali bagoja clear. This is the time they are clearing. For the last 2 weeks I've seen like 50 or so oko mabora danga njana chete ngentongo chire kosi na sengenjo it's cheaper you know in terms of mwana koligeringa kainda agende agochikororoba abayoli bana nabakana chibese chirakanike. So in one way or the other I think this model is going to affect our Kenya negatively. Omwana nabara bega kogende course ajosomere course asengenjaro singe course era chikobe ngororo era chikoba affordable nere mama gustatara nyare wakana go sponsor yane asengenjo omwana baraga niko kora totebe medicine lakini buye ligereria ya onyoranga ekose ingogenda abayoli bana bachikonyara wakana kera serikali wakana 100% na just feel ji form echi classifier sawe classify bali bachikoligereria na bara embaro rakiria roche. So in a way the long and short of it ngering a model yengo disadvantage ira bana babono na ende anda kora nyore nga chikosi nchire chitachi gokorwa na bali bagwenta gokora kwa nyora nga oyero bwathe chibese o afford chikosi chire igorake era nabakwira umwana asengencho we have other even parallel degree programs so montogo sa private schools or private universities abana basoma so bali abataka bagendera ko babataka bali bakwenyara bagendera ko bakwenyara entekyo ngeli ki yaliro twatebanga education is the greatest equalizer. How is it going to equalize ngakira rete parity go say equity go say equality onye the funding model kere discriminative. Yeah.
Mbia mwana sana ndo chinga ebiro bito byatonyoje kugima magana ari gete kiseme batinga abata magana mange lakini ndo bosiekera na butocha kuligina ne chinga kichinde ndo tabto kwana kondekera kuligira chi comment yechi ndo tumulikira bono challenges anena sense medio morobeli ulio CBC nege tambukire serikali wenete kubika so kwa nikyo bukulibyo bya sense mo iyo morobeli kango so sense media YouTube and Daisy TV News ndo chenga Wilfred Omagwa abatabanga gotia vini mwambie tuko live from Ethiopia abatabanga that's my nice. English teacher abatinga metabana balero Vincent wana liachiri yabere vini
all right thank you
nyangau Nicodemus abatabanga I greet Mr. Vincent my English teacher at Daisy TV abatanga napenda sana
asante
Justin Morondi abatabanga watching you Mr. Nyangau my brother Karando chenga Godfrey Onyancha abatanga that is my English teacher say hi abatabanga watching live from Nyahururu
nice.
Yake wakorire wasongera soko kabisa bakakianyerere
ngonya kunywera kere thank you
achinga kitoko korera ndatenga ndugwatanga chidaika ikomiga abatokuligeria nga challenges bano muroberiga OCBC oberi ko gutwara nchire chiche
several challenges number yamo funding that is the greatest challenge CBC what abasanjira toka yego jigo facilitate even trainings shabalimu so trainings workshops sensitization programs na saba ibuli umana baibuli yabwe netabatewe CBC ngento ki you know when you are launching a new program it should be a rigorous thing kaliento kerera isiga gyancheranwe so jenkorange kyamnyaga tubwango mono asinga chone chiba chitarengo so igente getangani and kwanire nkiringa funding is the greatest challenge ya CBC namba ibere capacitation toligererie aborokia bali bakorokia CBC tinkagere tinga college chiaito echigo train ya bali mubona iga chibugate curriculum ere user friendly when it comes to CBC igo bali mbara ba trained igo even from college no bali bare ground bali bagosoma bono iga yeah mbara twara obumanyi bw'esaine bw'ogosomi CBC egere chigoto those core competencies CBC bwana takaba kegutwara item number 3 nda kwanire ntebenga andake there is something to do with the attitude attitude formation we do have some negativity or reluctancy the mindset a mindset ya Bible nabe ne society at large goso amitora bana form 1 ba charogete crash asinge nja Bible batata gete mangana CBC meaning the community itself that are embracing in the CBC onto bata bakongwa funding to bata bakongwa capacitation to bata bakongwa attitude ya Bible ni attitude ya serikali nyene including the Ministry of Education attitude ya ministry ndo chinga nere ngiya. I don't want to blame the officers abalensaiga go say county nini because instructions usually come from the ministry from above. Igoralia ibintu mbere bitarakoreke binge ministry yatarakora attitude yema yago chigo chenchia gocha nsaiga. No, any attitude y'abarimu, when I look at it critically, you know, konyorore mbara embrace yenteke buya. But I think it's because serikali yatarake chinguru chibwanta kabo. No, I think mwarimu o primary na bako gende training ya CBC kurusa moja chakwa maji sasta. That's an issue, you know. You going for, we have brothers and sisters who are colleagues elsewhere. When they go for trainings, the amount of attention they are given is toko yebweka niyo mwalimu wako yana. Mwate unga abalimu bacha bagende kyoge primary waikaranse desk lit korigima baso migore ya CBC mwalimu waikaranse desk komete desk igore lit korigima acha kwa maji sasta umaya kwa we snack lit oga na ne soda, you know, ibintu mbire bike lakini binene when it comes to issues chia CBC. Again, tokende gya kanenda tebe. Towate curriculum, yes, but we have the materials in our schools. Yeah, we don't have the materials in our schools. By now, my imagination is that even secondary schools should have received materials. Abali banyago chirigirelia mapema. Yeah, kingo jigosomya grade 10, 11 and 12 by now in the library area. Ange bitabo byarachiralia abali be department banyakoliga linga baminto model ye nabega kalega kana kingo cha gosomi onyako aranga yura ora berere. So that is an issue that the government should address. More so in primary schools. When you talk to colleagues who some primary konyoranga bitabu biracha buya, yeah, bitabu biracha buya. Na wambiri byachire bisaini, you know. So igo kare program irenya nonye teaching aids chibandi chibuche. Yeah, teaching aids ibintu bira bale bagutumia karabare class egara abana ba internalize concept age ne idea ya CPC na inde ba embrace bintu ne binge, but we have numerous challenges. The other thing I can talk about is poor communication between these publics, the teachers, the Ministry of Issues, the Teacher Service Commission. Connectivity owererania koranga mboli buya onyo owererani ndiriboro buya angona training sijire chingiya omanyetenga in second term there will be a training ya 2 weeks on CBC. A school even era notified 3 months earlier. Tali mukuwa wa gresi mirade ngantomera bali musita ba CBC waje training. You know, those are just stopgap measures which people take negatively. You notifying me today in the training mambia. I didn't know. I had other arrangements, you know. So enarevenga ki binte byacha mapema. To notice chawa sound mapema. And training abantu bagana mapema and they have taken seriously and they have funded boronge nali abantu batali gotwara a lot of negativity. So many challenges, but we are pushing on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Maybe rotinga serikali era kole nkiaba ibuli bara kole lindi bono radio murubuli go CBC nororo. Whether we have a negative attitude or say positive. Nororo. Mfikiri rotinga ibuli bara kole go serikali era kole sabana bara kole go saborokia lindi babe bakoneka nga umurubuli yo CBC. Okay.
That's true. Yeah, we are it, and ndobuga tinjere ndana ntorakane genteke enteke ne yeito goikatogia ancherane irrespective of the challenges nambemo tebenga ntubonto gutwara some specialized training programs. Specialized training programs chira well funded. Abantu abalimu babe trained properly. Abo bisaba serikali be Ministry of Education are trained properly. Naemba bago train abaroba train. They can even be trained outside the country where they benchmark specialized training services. And to kendi ya kabere. They do mentorship programs. mentorship programs may be expensive because I'm talking about exchange programs.
Yeah.
This CBC was adopted from elsewhere. Yeah. We have success stories even outside the country. When you're talking about trainers of trainers, why can't they be taken even outside? Yeah, again, out there in the Philippines, where this thing has been used and they succeeded, barabo mutinyomo bagocha narikunyalekana ba train raisi. So namba ibere tutware mentorship and coaching programs cyabarimu n'abateneri baito begisemi. Namba isato, let's have online training programs. Mwa the gisimi tobwa the laptop echi squeeze ngora kiro mwa na wa the sim. Na nyi school echi chintigerwa kaiga chin network inchiro wifi nero even in some primary schools. One kare wifi ero at least na mwa ntawe kana sana mwa aigo se school. This online training program onya ko yemyoki ngoro nya ko yemyoki ngoro at the end of the day kwanya ranga attitude yetu ateba ya change. Namba inye tigango tutware resource mobilization. Tutware many funders. Serikali is the first person who went to go fund the program. But let us collaborate with other funders, the World Bank and other institutions of goodwill. Support the program way. Egare program we teach go fail. Number is let us incorporate feedback. Yeah. Feedback in the sense that I've not seen people walking around from the ministry. So, without feedback, we shall not make progress. Self-correction. We need to correct as we move on. Again, take CBC, Oyoro Moronge. So those are 5 issues, I think, and that tebechira tokonya. Egere toskemotu. Again, tokende kyomo elio, principals, heads of institutions should be inducted properly in serious collaborative workshops. Again, but we can take ego kerega. And it's best to go chiacha, bamanga bese chiacha, talibes choko beko mubuko. No michezo neto korara elsewhere etarimia money comes and this man goes. When you go to the ground you realize no ne vidas via CBC via gadget okonya the floor got repaired every time. There was money allocated, money was spent. What happened? Those are very many issues, but I think the long and short of it, at the end of the day, it shall be well.
Okay.
Yeah. Mwanchiwa motegareri gosomo rigereria tigantebe ngalitangani bya mona sengencho mwanyo reteri baga yugukwana n'abantu baito tigantebe nga egenteke na se ngakiyabono noko ba open minded igo mbolinga toba open minded toba supportive of educational programs because we have been discussing education. Without open-mindedness, we shall not succeed. Ntokoba very critical because I've seen situations where people are closed and critical. I mean, unnecessarily critical. They are open-minded, they are supportive. Again, tokugi achire akagani, tuabolinge ntoki, tuataka gukemanyari tangani. Gowa kemanyari tangani. It becomes much easier to adopt na embrace na kumove wachimotwe. Iko the other support serikali yetu. The support school cheito, the support abana baito na monoto nyorengo mwana oyo tolete the school nero yo mambia into twagotire myaka 10-15 korbono kabatora abantu abagotutige gazi abana nabo bamambia. So let us invest in these kids seriously. Yeah, colleague and take you as if it's the last assignment that you are doing here on earth. Yeah, kogera serikali neganitia abantu abamambia. Family nchiganitia abantu abamambia. School nchiganitia abantu abamambia. All government sectors need these kids to succeed in life. So that's what I would want to say. Thank you so much. Asakonya alibaga na ende abantu baitu tigababe open minded na serikali. Tigetebo mind. Our politicians should ensure that we put the government on on toes. Babolia mabolia katogo toma bana siasa ba parliament ndoliko babu toma asengenje bari UDA baende banyawaga chinko through the year There are pertinent concerns that they need to raise every single day they sit in parliament. Baboria maswali boronge na maswali they should demand for answers, because what is happening nowadays, we don't have democracy anymore. I don't want to continue, but Kromo takoregasia and I korebuya.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sana mwalimu asobwekera na se studio na bego gusanga na intembye mana sana nayo mwanchi muri ya kwa beri ko gusanga na inte kutoka cyage to umurubirega bikaboneka twikira umwede no gusemerya ko na kwa beri gukwemanya amanga serit kuri rero anene gwitira ase omugeni to umoroke korwa ase skuru y'abagura ya Cardinal Tunga Mr. Vincent Nyangawo ndo mwanchi muri ya nkanchere mbutorerega gutumira neritko ya ankyo astura beto gusanga amange ritko ya Thursday TBT kwende mkwere niliambia mana sana wotia aso itobere to kubwatira nere anene job maangi oyo bagakongali bagalia bene libosanga na mugeni beri tukolia lero na bwiga sense mirindi akabere studio oyo nikyo kibice niliyogiria gukira sole asenchira ya bene Abigail Nyanchama manchi muligende utwara ubuliyeri ubimbiga seni Candice TV obono bwansubu mu busindi telane Frida Kerubo twara ubuliyeri ya obya karibu tena sana.
Asante sana, thank you so much. Pema.